We've got 3 chances for snow in the Denver area this week. I'm recording this on April Fool's, on April the 1st of 2025, on this Tuesday morning. Now, it's on April Fool's that we're talking about 3 chances for snow. Tonight's Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. May get a little slush south of Denver. Not a big deal. Then on Thursday, we get another wave of snow. This looks generally on the lighter side and mostly during the day on Thursday. Now, it's early April. That means that sun angle is coming into play, and that sun angle is going to make it pretty tough for that snow to fall during the day today and to really stick a whole lot. Maybe 1 to 3 inches for us here in Denver. We may not end up with anything at all. It generally looks lower impact. I doubt we see much, if any, accumulation for most areas below 6,000 feet, the majority of the metro area on Thursday on those roads. Any snow we would see would most likely be on grassy surfaces, car tops, things like that. Models are flip-flopping around a little bit on that one, so I'll get you details as that gets a bit closer. Now, the one that I've been watching, and I've been talking about this for the last few days, it's Friday night and Saturday morning. That's the main hit of snow that we're kind of concerned about for a couple of reasons. One, this is going to be during the overnight time period. Remember how I was talking about that sun angle? If we get that snow during the overnight time period, like appears the most likely scenario, that would mean that we can get that snow to efficiently accumulate. So point being, that's the best chance for road impacts and kind of that snow to really stack up quickly for us on Friday night and Saturday morning. Number 2, this is probably the strongest of the waves of snow that moves its way into the picture. And number 3 is we're going to get a fair bit of upslope flow involved with this as well. So, long story short, this looks like the main storm to really watch for. So Friday night, Saturday morning. And I would also say in Denver, we're probably talking about a few inches of accumulation for us here in town. But you get south of Denver, you get to Castle Rock, Kiowa, Elizabeth, Monument Hill, Larkspur, Castle Pines, even maybe as far south as far north as, say, Lone Tree, Roxborough Park, Highlands Ranch. So this is really Douglas County and Albert County, where we're really going to be worried about the potential for a double-digit snowfall event, maybe 10 to 12 inches plus for us out there in Dougco. And that's, this time of year, going to be a real concern. Those leaves are popping out. It's going to be that cement, heavy, wet snow. That could mean the potential for power outages with down trees, down branches. We're talking 10 inches plus this time of year. That's a real problem for us there on the Palmer Divide. So that's going to be the main thing to watch for. Again, especially in our southern foothills, Palmer Divide, where those leaves are coming out. That's where that's going to be the biggest concern. In Denver, a few inches possible. There's still the scenario where we do get maybe 6 inches or more of snow, but this storm at this point looks a bit too far south and a little weaker in recent modeling. And that will probably mean that the Denver area gets a few inches of snow, but not a double-digit foot-plus snow event. Still a possibility, but most likely not for us here in Denver. But the Palmer Divide, again, the foothills, southern foothills, the divide south of Denver, watch out. This could be a big one out that way.